Breathe out tension. Breathe in acceptance. Breathe out resistance. Now bring your attention to the things you are grateful for. They don't have to be big. Sometimes the smallest things carries the greatest meaning. Be grateful for the breath. Be grateful for the body. Be grateful for the bed beneath you. Be grateful for the place where you can rest tonight. Be grateful for the people who have brought love into your life. Be grateful for the lessons that made you stronger. Be grateful for the moment that made you smile. And even if today was difficult, find one small thing, one moment, one person, one experience, one reason to say thank you. Pause here and silently think of 3 things that you are grateful for tonight. And now repeat. I am grateful for this life. I am grateful for another day. I am grateful for everything I have learned. I am grateful for the people who love me. I am grateful for the opportunities coming into my life. I am grateful for my strength. I am grateful for my ability to begin again. I choose to notice good things in life. Sometimes we spend so much time looking at what is missing that we forget to see what is already here. Tonight, choose to see, choose to appreciate, choose to be present. Now place your attention on yourself. Note the version of yourself you want to become, not the version you think others accept you to be. Just you, as you are, exactly as you are tonight. You have survived so many difficult moments. You have experienced so many disappointments. You have made mistakes. You have changed. You have grown. And you are still here. So tell yourself, I am proud of myself for continuing. I am proud of myself for not giving up. I am learning to trust myself. I am becoming kinder to myself. I accept myself as I am. I don't need to compare my journey with anybody else. My journey is my own.